Morning students. Good morning students. Previous class we learned what is history lesson. What is history lesson? Today we are going to what is history lesson. Book back exercise. Book back exercise. Page number. All of the page number take the 127. Page number 127. Book back exercise. Page number 127. The first choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one, Roman. Listen. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Collect his food. Trade, hunting, painting, rearing of animals. Rearing of animals. This answer is correct. Hunting. The first Roman. Hunting. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Collect his food. Our answer B. Hunting. What be? Hunting. Next Roman. Match the statement. Match the statement with reason. Statement with reason. First one. The statement. Prehistory man went along with the dog for hunting. Dog for hunting. Or you say dog for hunting. Prehistory man went along with the dog for hunting. Next one, reason. First one statement, second one reason. Dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. Snuffing dog with its snuffing power would find out other animals. For the first answer, the statement A. The statement is true, but reason is wrong. Reason is wrong. The next B answer. Statement and reason are correct. Statement and reason are correct. Third one, both statements and reason are wrong. Reason are wrong. The correct answer. Statement and reason are correct. Or you say dog. Dog for hunting. And dog with is sniffing. First, the answer is B. Answer is B. The statement and the reason are correct. The statement and reason are correct. The statement and reason are correct. The statement and reason are correct. Repeat the one time. Statement. Prehistory man is went along with a dog for hunting. Reason. Dog with its sniffing power would find out the other animals. Answer is B. Statement and reason are correct. Statement and reason are correct. Next, second, match the statement with reason. Second one statement. The adjectives used by the early man are executed. They are pressured to know the lifestyle of the people. Lifestyle of the people or the statement. Next one, find out which of the following is related to statement. அப்ப ரிலேட்டடா என்ன இருக்கு? ரிலேட்டடா என்ன இருக்கு பாப்போம். Statement. The adjectives used by the early man are executed. They are pressured to know the lifestyle of the people. Next one, find out which the following is related the statement. Related என்ன? Museum, bones, store, tools. இப்ப related என்ன பண்றோம்? Museum, stone tools and bones. The answer is correct. Answer is A on the right hand circle. A museum. What? Museum. For the statement or answer, the museum. Next one, find out the wrong pair. Wrong pair. Old storage. Stone tools. Okay. Wrong painting. Walls of the caves. Or the surrounding walls of the caves. Match. Copper plate. domesticated animals சொல்றோம்ல. The answer is circle D, cats. First domesticated. Girl, listen. Find out the wrong pair. Then next, old stone age. Stone tools or the correct pair. Rock painting or correct pair. Wall of the caves. Next one, copper plates. A source of history. Or the wrong pair. The correct answer. Cats. The first the domesticated. Find out the wrong pair. Old stone age. Next, Roman letter second layer, fourth one. Find out the earth one. Paintings were drawn on the rocks and caves. Next, the paintings were painted by using many colors. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. For the correct answer, C. For the circle of the C. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Third Roman, the second Roman, fourth one, find the earth one. The third Roman, fill in the blanks. The third Roman, the old Stone Age man lived mostly in dash, only caves. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. Next one, dash is the father of history. Herodotus is the father of history. Next one, dash was the first animal tamed by old Stone Age man. Dog was the first animal tamed by the old Stone Age man. Next one, inscriptions are dash source. Archaeological source. Inscriptions are dash source. Archaeological source. Dharmachakra has dash spokes. 24 spokes. Repeat the one time. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in dash caves. The second one, Herodotus is the father of history. Third one, dog was the first animal tamed by old Stone Age man. Fourth one, inscriptions are dash source. Archaeological source. Dharmachakra has spokes. 24 spokes. Next one, fourth Roman letter. State true or false. First one, stone tools belonging to old Stone Age have been excavated at the Athirapakkam near Chennai. Or true, stone tools belonging to the old Stone Age have been excavated at the Athirapakkam near Chennai. True. Second one, the materials are used by the ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. The archaeological department preserved in the museum. What Delhi, Mysore, Mumbai, what the museum preserved in the museum by the archaeological department. What answer is true. Next one, during the period of Asoka, Buddhism spread across the other country. During the period of Asoka, Buddhism spread across the country. What true answer? next Roman letter, fifth one Roman letter. Fifth Roman letter. Match the following. Match the following. For the same the answer. Rock painting. Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. To understand the lifestyle. Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. The second one is written records. Written records. Copper plates. Copper plates. Written records of the copper plates. Ashoka, the most famous king. The most famous king of Ashoka. Religious literature. Religious literature. Devaram. Religious literature. Devaram. Religious literature. Devaram. Rock painting. Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. Rock painting to understand the lifestyle. Written records. Copper plates. Ashoka, the most famous king. The most famous king. Religion literature. Devaram. Religion literature. Students, Roman letter first 2, Roman letter 6. The mark on the back exercise. First one they choose, second one match the statement. Third one find out the rank pair. Fourth one find out the odd one. Third one filling the blanks and mark the base. State the true or false and match the following and answer in the one word. On the space on the row space, the space on the page on the 129 page or the mark on the Roman letter 4. Answer in the one word. Answer in the one word. Or mark the student. All of you students listen. Roman letter 6th. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. Can you say any two advantages of writing diary? Writing diary. Next one. Answer. Diary writing helps of records. Helps of record the events. Record the events. Diary writing. The important the diary writing helps of record the events. The past events. Past events are events. Diary writing helps of the record the events. Past record are the events. It reveals the lifestyle. It was the lifestyle of people of that period. The second question. How do we know the people lifestyle of the old Stone Age? Old Stone Age people. The people of lifestyle of the old Stone Age people. Next one. We understand the lifestyle. We understand the lifestyle of people of your old Stone Age from using your stone tools. STON stone tools. Stone tools. Stone tools. That paintings on the rocks and walls of their caves. Rocks and walls of the caves. What do you know the people lifestyle? The lifestyle of the old Stone Ages. The old Stone Ages, the lifestyle of the stone tools and paintings or the rocks, walls of the caves are the importance. Next one is inscriptions, written records. Written records. Yes. Inscriptions is written records. What is the proto-history? The proto-history is the period between. Proto-history, the period between prehistory and history. Prehistory and history. Prehistory and history. Prehistory and history. Proto-history is the period between prehistory and history. Next one. Name the epics. Name the epics. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Manimekalai. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Manimekalai. Everyone take the classwork note. Everyone take the classwork note. The front page, you writing the name. Second one, class with section and subject, associate English, Maths or any subject or the note classwork. Second page, the second page or index for the table of the index. The index first one serial number. First one serial number, second one date, third one title, mark, page number. Teacher sign or title or no title, serial number, date, title, page number, teacher signatures or the table or the tables or the second pages or the index on the mark on the table, second page, the second page for the margin or the serial number, first one, second one date, third one title, next one page number, teacher signature or hit the index, 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 second index, next one third page, the index, the third page, margin, first the margin, the headline, what is history, and write the date, the margin corner, write the date of the days, you are writing, write the dates of the day you are writing, and headline of the what is history, and Roman letters, answer the following, answer the first Roman, answer the following, the proper writing, proper and neatly the writing the answer the following, you must write neatly the classwork note. First question, the classwork note, writing Roman letter first, answer the following, what is history, history is a record of past events in chronological order. Second point, the term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by inquiry. Repeat the one time, history is the record of past events in chronological order. Second point, the term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by inquiry. The second question, what do you know about the prehistory period? The period between the use of the first stone tools and the invention of writing systems is prehistory period. The second point, stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the major source of prehistory. Then repeat the one time, what do you know about the prehistory period? The period between the use the first stone tools and the invention of writing system is prehistory. Next, stone tools, excavated materials and rocks paintings are the major source of prehistory. Next, third question, class okay. What are the sources available to now about the prehistory period? What are the sources available to now about the prehistory period? Painting on the rocks and the walls of the caves, tools, excavated materials are sources available to now about the prehistory period. The prehistory period only the walls, the rock and walls, the rocks, the walls, the caves, tools and excavated materials are the sources available to know about the prehistory period. Prehistory period. Next one, fourth question. Class of your fourth question. Why were paintings drawn on rocks? Drawn rocks. Painting could have been drawn on rocks to convey their lifestyle. The model of the convey of the lifestyle to the future generation. Future generation. Listen back. Painting could have been drawn or rocks to convey their lifestyle to the future generations. Future generation. Second point. The mighty have wished to record their activities through their paintings. Through their paintings. Ninth one. Next one. Fifth class one. Fifth. Mention the places from where we got the prehistory tools. Prehistory tools. And then the places are prehistory tools. Listen here. We find the prehistory tools at Kondapur, Nivas, Magakas, rock skeletons of Bhimbetka and Edakkal caves in India. Edakkal caves in India. In Tamil Nadu, Attirapakam, Ariyalur, Perambalur, Adichanallur are the places the prehistory tools. Repeat the one time. Mention the places from where we got prehistory tools. We find the prehistory tools at Kondapur, Nivas, Magakas, rock shelters of Bhimbetka and Edakkal caves in India. Next, in Tamil Nadu, Attirapakam, Ariyalur, Perambalur, Adichanallur are the places the prehistory tools. The important prehistory tools Bhimbetka and Edakkal caves in India. In Tamil Nadu, Attirapakam, Ariyalur, Perambalur, Adichanallur are the places the prehistory tools are the way prehistory tools. Sir. Next. Roman letter second la. Answer in detail. What are the benefits? What are the benefit of museums? Museums are community centers designed to inform and teach the public. Second one, the education benefit. The education benefit of a museum is academic learning. Museum, the education benefit of museum is academic learning. Third one, museums are the caretakers of history as much as they offer the connections to history. The education benefit of museum is academic learning. Museum are the caretakers of history as much as they offer connections to history. Next, fourth Roman letter. Museum are full of the stories. Full of stories. And it is interesting for students. To hear the stories. Fifth one, museums offer opportunities. Opportunities for children to compare and contrast learning to critical thinking skill. Listen here. Museum offer opportunities for the children to compare and contrast learning to critical critical thinking skill. Critical thinking skill. Sixth Roman, students are exposed to new ideas. Students are exposed to new ideas and concept. New ideas and new concept. New ideas and new concepts. Next one, students are exposed to opportunities. Students are exposed to opportunities that spark creative monuments. Next one, Roman letter 9. Identify the category of the following sources of history. Lawrence executed from Aditya Nallur. Answer is the artifact of archaeological. The second one, copper plates of Velvi Kudi. Inscriptions archaeological site. Next one, Mahabharata, religion literature, literary source. Next one, fourth one, Sanji Stupa, monuments of archaeological, Sanji Stupa. Pattinapalai. Next one வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Pattinapalai, literary source. Next one, the earthworks of Gazigadi. Next one, the artifact of archaeological. Toys of Hindu civilization. Artifact of archaeological. The next one, monuments. Big temple of Tanjore. Monument archaeological source. Next one, monument archaeological sources of the Roman letter 11. Answer grid. And the answer grid la early men scribbled and painting on me today. They used me to build houses and lay roads. Who am I? Only rocks. Next one, name any two archaeological sources. Artifacts, monuments, inscriptions. Listen by, name any archaeological sources. Artifacts, monuments, inscriptions. Next question, name the types of literary sources. Secular, religious. Name the two literary sources. Secular and religious. Expand the BCE. Before Common Era. Next one, what is the meaning of the Greek word historia? Historia means learning by inquiry. What means historia? Historia means learning by inquiry. Next one, expand the CE. Common era. Next one, dash is the study of inscription. Epigraphy is the study of inscriptions. Next one, dash is the study of coins. Numismatics is the study of coins. Next one, I can help you to talk the sea. Here, write and read there is on world. Without me, who am I? Source of history. Next, all students must write classwork. Repeat, all students must write classwork. then you must write students activity Roman letter 9, Roman letter 10, Roman letter 11. Thank you students.